Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a view-only document on Google Sheets mobile. Okay, here I have my view-only document. As you can see that this document is in a view-only mode, so I cannot edit this document. And if you want to edit this document, we have to make a copy of this document on our Google Drive. So first of all, we can click on the three dots button. And then you're gonna click on share and export right here. Okay, and simply tap on make a copy. Then we're going to make a copy on our Google Drive, but before it, you can rename the document title right here. But if you don't want to rename it, you just need to skip the step. Then you can click on OK and just hold on. It's still copying to my Google Drive. Okay, and now as you can see that the Google Sheets document has been copied to my Google Drive. Then now we can edit this Google Sheets file. I'm going to add tags. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can edit a view-only document on Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.